Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use this Mer charger, but before I do, it's good to know you can charge with us as a guest user or by registering on our network. To charge as a guest user, you don't need to sign up with us, you can charge using either contactless payment or via the app. To charge using contactless payment, connect the cable to your vehicle, follow the on-screen instructions on the charger, and hold your payment card on the payment terminal to start the charge. To charge as a guest user using the Mer Connect UK app, connect the cable to your vehicle, click on Find a Charge Point, locate the charge point and socket in the app and swipe to connect. You can find the socket number on the charger if you're unsure. Add your billing details and payment method to start the charge. To charge as a registered customer using the Mer Connect UK app, log into the app, connect the cable to your vehicle, locate the charge point and socket that you wish to use in the app and swipe to connect. As a registered customer, you'll be able to add favourite charge points, check your usage and much more. To stop the charge when using the app, swipe Stop in the app, wait for the charge to end and disconnect the cable from your vehicle. You can also charge via your web browser as a guest user or a registered user by visiting our driver portal accessible through our website. To charge using a Mer charge card, create an account in the app or driver portal to order it. Once you have received it, you can charge by connecting the cable to your vehicle, following the on-screen instructions, and holding a charge card on the charge card reader underneath the screen to start the charge. To stop the charge, hold your charge card on the charge card reader underneath the screen, select Stop on the charger, and disconnect the cable from your vehicle. Detailed instructions on how to use the charge point can be found on the charger. To find out more about our roaming partners and prices, visit our website uk.mer.eco.